Okay, so this is going to be a very small video on order block. Frequently, you guys ask this question, so I am just making one example. Okay, so let's say this is bullish fair value gap. Okay, let's say this is we are at bullish fair value gap. Okay, same going to apply on the bearish side as well. Okay, whatever I'm teaching on the bullish side, it applies on bearish, vice versa. Okay, so if you see, we have this two down close candle, let's say, and we tap this bullish fair value gap. Okay, we tap this bullish fair value gap. Now, to make this valid order block, to make this high priority order block, we need candle close above this opening price, right? So if we close above this, then we can look for continue move upside, right? But let's say something like this formed. Okay, let's say we printed this, let's say bullish candle. We printed this bullish candle. Okay, we printed this bullish candle. For example, I'm not marking the wick, but just understand the concept. Okay, so let's say we printed bullish candle, but we didn't close above this side, so still we don't have this as a valid order block. To make it a high probability order block, we need candle close above this high, right? And let's say the next candle closed again bearish. Okay, next candle closed bearish. Okay, so now some of you might think, now what order block I have to take? Either I have to take this two down close candle, okay, or I have to focus on this down close candle. Still we will focus on this down close candle. Why? Because let's say we have this, let's mark this low. Okay, so this is the down close candle, right? And we have this one pulse up close candle. Then again, let's say bearish candle wave form. Still, we will wait for market to close above this order block, this two consecutive down close candle. Let's say if this candle, okay, let's say if this candle come below this low, okay, come below this low, okay, let's say this next candle अगर नीचे आता है इसके नीचे, okay, then let's say this created bearish candle and we come below this low, and still let's say we are at this fair value gap. Okay, then we will take this as a order block. Okay, because this is the last down close candle that created new low and we are inside the fair value gap. Okay, so if the next candle, okay, if the next candle create bullish and we break the high of this, then this is our order block. Okay, so we will mark this. Only we will take this as a order block if you go below the low. Okay, and let's say अगर ये सिर्फ यहीं तक आता है and ये low, this low is still maintained. Okay, and then we close higher. Okay, then we will going to take this as a order block. Okay, this down close candle, because this last down close candle didn't come below this low. Okay, so I hope ये समझ में आ गया होगा. So let me show you example if I can show you guys. Yeah, for example, if you see this area, let me do the replay mode. Okay, so you will see this is the bullish example. I just explained you guys same thing, right? So let's say we have this fair value gap, right? So this is fair value gap, right? So if I go to more replay mode, okay, so you can see we have this last down close candle that tapped the fair value gap, right? So if we close above this, then this last down close candle is going to be our bullish order block, right? Okay, so we have one up close candle but didn't close above this high, right? Second candle also didn't close. Okay. Third candle we created bearish but still no closer above this order block. Okay. Now think, क्या हम लोग अभी भी इसको एज अ ऑर्डर ब्लॉक मार्क करेंगे या इसको करेंगे? इसी को करेंगे, राइट? दिस वन जो पहला हम लोग का बेरिश है, क्योंकि ये जो कैंडल है, दिस डिडेंट कम बिलो दिस लो. ओके, इफ वी कम बिलो दिस लो एंड क्लोज बेरिश, देन फिर हम लोग इसको मार्क करते हैं, राइट? सॉरी. Okay, and here you can see in this candle we create come below this low. Okay, we come below this low and we are still inside the fair value gap. Now I'll take this last two down close candle basically. Okay, वैसे सिर्फ एक डाउन क्लोज कैंडल होता तो एक डाउन क्लोज रहता है, लेकिन यहाँ कंसेक्यूटिव लगातार दो डाउन क्लोज है. So now I'll take this two down close candle because this last two down close candle come below this low. Okay, so now I'm not going to take this as an order block. So now if we close above this high, then this is our order block. ये थोड़ा complicated है. Okay, but I hope you guys understand. You can see we close above this two down close candle. Also, we close above this high. But I hope you guys get the concept and you can see how price continue moving higher and higher. Okay, but make it simple. Whatever you guys understand, you guys feel, yeah, this is simple for me. Stick with that. Don't overcomplicate it. Okay, this is just advanced thing, and this is you going to learn with experience. Okay, maybe still you will be confused. Still maybe you are in confusion, but with time, with experience, definitely you will master everything. Okay, just give time, just practice, and just train your eyes. Okay.